trans, not woman like boys kasi hindi convincing.
Grabe naman, pinapakitaan naman tayo ni Yumi. Huwag mo naman kami akitin sa ganyan. Papalag kami dyan.
Gago.
Grabe.
Papalag kami, suntukan. Sige.
Palag yan, palag.
Dito para sa'yo, para sa story ko.
Ay, nako.
Hindi pala para sa'yo eh.
Hindi pala para
sa iba, pare.
Anay, do you do other voices?
Balik muna tayo kay Jillian. Grabe kayo.
Besides the girl voice.
Nagpapaganda na para sa'yo. Solid talaga, pre.
I try to learn that, yung boses babae. Ang hirap talaga, pre.
Yeah, parang may lahi to si Julia. May lahi ka ba? Lahi na...
Not really for you kasi hindi naman masyadong...
May record lang ako.
Deep yung voice mo, di ba?
Hindi. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Gago, nakalive pala ako.
Hindi naman masyadong deep yung voice mo. Kaya siguro hindi naman masyadong hard.
Gago, nakalive pala ako.
I don't know.
Kasi I only do like yung parang a little bit higher than my range.
Katulad
nito.
Bro, solid talaga ito ni Kayo.
Pasensyahan nyo na po. Isa lang akong tao.
Tangina, ang attractive pag tumawa ka, Vincent.
Ay, sorry po, sorry. Pagpasensya niya.
Mali ako na nasabi ata.
Anay, isa pang girl voice dyan. Paaralin ko yung girl voice mo.
What do you want me to see? What do you want
Reyna Lines.
I don't know what... Okay, hold on.
Wait. You can say ano nga yan?
Mi amor.
I think I won't be able to do that. Hold on.
Yeah, you can try.
Hold on.
Record lang muna tayo.
Kumusta po?
Ay, na bahala kayo
Ay, kamusta? Kamuestas? Naghahanap ka ng voice line, pre?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Maganda yung mga voice line yan.
Oh, hell nah.
Medyo mahirap, no? Paborito ko yan eh.
Oh, sana all paborito. Grabe ka na talaga, pre. Malakas ka na eh.
Oh, I can't do.
Yeah.
I don't even sound like Reyna.
Like, try to speak
again. Do I sound like Reyna? I don't.
Yeah.
No, I don't speak like Reyna.
You know,
How the fuck, bro? That's so hard.
No, I don't.
I think
that's so high. What the hell?
The easier method for you is just count 1 to 10, and each number goes higher.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10. Hello. Hi, what's up? I don't know.
Fuck. I'm trying, bro. What the fuck?
You're too tight on it, dude.
You're too tight.
You're too tight. It's crazy.
Oh fuck! It's hard, bro. I'm trying my best.
Just go from chest to head voice, if you know what head voice is.
Yeah. Like this.
That's falsetto.
What is a head voice then?
Head voice is not airy. It's not like you don't.
I mean, I sing, but I only know head voice by singing.
You sing?
Yeah.
You go like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Like,
5,
is it?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What the fuck? That is so hard.
10, 10,
What?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I don't have a. Oh shit! That's actually hard. The head voice I know is. That is not falsetto. That's head voice.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yagi.
Yeah.
Yori. Can you sing something?
I can. Wait lang.
Yo.
Let me grab my guitar.
Sure. And and then let people witness me just fall in love. Joke. I'm not.
Kayo, check PM. May
I'ma
BBM
be
ako.
all-nighters tonight.
Send ko
What'd
sa'yo.
you say? Mic test. 1, 2, 3, mic test. Mic test, 1, 2, 3, mic.
How do you fucking do that, bro? Like, it's so hard.
1, 2, 3, mic test.
Like, what the fuck?
I don't know. I basically okay. The thing is, when I was practicing that girl voice for like 3 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
almost 4. Yeah, almost 4. 2025 na pala. I get an inspiration from this girl on TikTok named Alexandria.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys watch her videos, she's a VTuber slash content creator on TikTok. Basically, her content is Valorant. Hold on. So I took her voice, Alexandria. I took her voice line, and how she talks, and basically copied
Kayo,
them.
check nga na, PM ka. Pa-check. Ayan.
Yeah, already done. Tas, ano ba tunog niya, bro? Ano, parinig mo ka?
Hold on.
Are you a girl?
See? Are you a girl? See
Oh
what I
my
mean?
god.
Are you a girl?
That shit is hard.
See?
Nicely done.
Nicely done.
Mm-hmm.
See what I mean?
Nicely done.
No, I cannot, bro. Fuck.
Everybody got a guitar on already.
Yun, no? Yan, sarap. Isang halik mo lang, kapiling na kita, uminda sa dilim. At isang pikit ko lang ay parang isang bulaklak ng ating daigdig. O walang hanggang palaisipan at ikaw na nga ang may pakana. Ang pag-ibig mo lamang talaga. Ang pag-ibig mo lamang talaga. Oh, panghabang buhay at puno ng kulay. Pag-ibig mo lamang talaga ang aking hangat. At nang iyong mapana ay di na kita matiis. Oh please, wag nang mainis sa'kin. Girl, you look so wonderful tonight. I can't help the tears in my eyes. Palagi kang ganyan. Oh, walang hanggang palaisipan at ikaw na nga ang may pagkana. Ang pag-ibig mo lamang talaga. Ang pag-ibig mo lamang talaga. Oh, ang habang buhay at puno ng kulay. Pag-ibig mo lamang talaga ang aking hangarin.
Ano title?
Wow, so many.
Love it.
Ano yan?
Ano title?
Ang pag-ibig mo by Rob Daniel.
Grabe yun. Pangina, bigla nang, ay, hindi na ako pangina.
Let's go. Anahita, let's go.
Kakata ko?
Yeah, sing bro. I know you can sing.
I can't sing.
Damn, tas may echo bigla. Bullshit.
Kidding.
Gagi. Yung lang ibo. Gagi. Gago. Logo.
Labis ang ngiti kapag ika'y kaharap. Ramdam ko ang pagmamahal giliw. Namumukatan kahit walang katulad. Ikaw lang ang para sa akin.
Pin ang puta.
Sa'yo lang ako dito ka sa piling ko. Dito ka lang. Bumabagalangkot na mundo kapag ika'y nariyan akin. Dito ka lang, dito ka lang, dito ka lang. O aking
Tama na. Muntik akong tumawa.
Nakikita mo ba?
Sinayawan eh. Grabe, guitarist. Sa akin, simpleng chords lang, pre.
Hello.
Sige lang. Ingat.
Kanina ba?
Pwede pa song request.
Ano daw song request?
Si Tuna Green. May San Yao.
Gagi.
Ayoko ng sito na green.
Grabe pinaganda.
Gusto ko na sito na red. Ayoko ng sito na green. Gusto ko lang sito na red. Thank you.
Grabe yun. Gagi, naging karaoke session na.
Ay, sorry.
Sorry. Tangay na, miss ko na mag-ukulele. Ah, kantahin mo yan.